7459 Aurora Glow. There's a latch missing from the screen door. From what I've seen so far, the house actually is really pretty. The walls are a bluish color. We need to replace the vertical blinds with 2.5-inch forward blinds. We're at 4 windows so far. It's great that there's already concrete back here, plus a patio overhang. We just need to probably add some rocks or something here just to make it a little prettier. Okay, the screen door is also messed up. Upgraded light fixture, that's nice. Beautiful counters. Cabinets look fine. This one's a little crooked, but they look to be in good condition. Undermount sink. Jenny may suggest installing a gooseneck there. Okay, so let's go. So this is a smaller laundry room. Jenny may not have a problem with it. We'll have to see. It's a pretty big water heater. Craftsman garage opener. Let's head upstairs. Some missing smoke detectors. Maybe a blind there as well. Little touch-up areas. Baseboards could use some touch-up. It's interesting that it's a split level. So upstairs we have 2 windows so far that need blinds. It's a closet. And that's a closet. So it's an interesting design. But we have 3 bedrooms over here, so that may actually be used as a loft. Carpet. Probably replace that fan. 3 windows. Fans are not an expensive item. Usually about $150 to $200 to replace. And all the smoke detectors appear to be missing, or all that I've seen so far, so that would be number 2. This room's a different color. This room feels a little small, but it is the 3rd bedroom, which is usually smaller. So that's it.